Do you want to know how you can log into your Genesis Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Genesis Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and search for Genesis Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Genesis HR Solutions. Now there are two login portals. The first one is Manager Portal link and the second one is Employee Portal link. So go ahead and click on one of these, which account is yours. So if you click on the Manager Portal, it will take you to a separate page, and the Employee Portal is a separate page. But the login process is the same, guys. First step is to write down your username. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box and then write down your password in the second one. After you write down your password, make sure to check your password once again by clicking on this So button. You can hide it anytime by clicking on it once again. So once you write your username and password associated with your Genesis Payroll account, go ahead and click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your employee portal of Genesis HR Payroll. If you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to definitely go to because they will help you recover your account easily. If you don't have an account, click on Register and register for yourself now. Now talking about the Manager Portal, if you click on this link, it will take you to this page. Write down your username, your password, click sign in, and it's the same process. You will be signing to your Manager Portal on Genesis HR Payroll Solutions. So guys, this is how you log into your Genesis HR Solutions, also known as your Genesis Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.